Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F56 error code. So what is this error and can we get rid of it? So the F56 error is when the final spin is less than 400 RPM. So it is sensing that it's not able to spin as fast as it needs to. So there's something, when you're getting this error, it's going to be hard to fix it yourself because it's something in the motor that's going to need to be checked. So the tachometer is probably broken, and you'll need to check the motor itself as well as the tachometer, and that's something that should probably be done by a professional. But anyways, at least you know what's going on. It means that when it's trying to spin, it's not able to spin fast enough, and it can't get you more than 400 RPMs, which some of these go up to 600 and even above that. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.